Salamat po. I told you, 2:30 sila. Oh, dito na tate. Balik na tayo. Bus sila, nagbus.
Dumating na sila from
Hi, ma'am. Welcome back.
Hi Ma'am Isabel. Hi Ma'am. Para katla Angel Ma'am. Salamat.
Video ka rin kayo.
Hi na po.
Hello. Tay sir.
2:30 din.
Ha?
Dala, 2:30.
Oh, 2:30.
Wala pa. Sa'yo.
Welcome back.
People, no? The Filipinos. I would like to thank them, especially when I was in Dubai yesterday. There was this Omar Sason who
Best
helped
name.
me. Yeah,
the best
yeah,
name.
yeah, the best thing. Omar Sason. I would like to thank him, and also from Talinan, Miss Garcia, also from Philippines, who really escorted me to the gate. My gate supplied. Then who else? This morning also Helen from Zara. When I went to the train station to get something for the bus. And I would like also to thank all the people here. Present. Yeah, present.
Rain or shine.
Rain or shine.
Mostly rain.
Omar, we're the spokes now. Ito naman po si Papa.
He's doing ano naman, it's fine, it's okay. We had a long chat, kami tatlo. I was very happy na, kasi very, ano yan very happy kami ito na opportunity makausap siya.
Yeah, because they were waiting for how many days, right? Yeah, for a week.
Okay, yeah. So, yun, I'm still very grateful, lalo na kasama ko lola ko dito. Kasi enjoy ang experience.
So, Ma'am Elizabeth, ulitin ko lang yung tanong ko kanina. No? Your assessment after 1 month of not seeing them. Is it better or?
She has grown a beard.
Oh.
May bigote na siya. Yeah.
Do you like the beard?
Good thing rin yun.
I don't like it. She wanted to retain it. I said, you should. Pero ayaw. I want to retain it until he goes out. So, sabi ko baka mag-Christmas ka, si Santa Claus.
What's your message po to the Philippine people?
All the Filipino people na support sa amin, nag-show na sa kanilang pagmamahal, sa kanilang belief kay Tatay Digong. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Na-appreciate namin yan, talaga nagabigay lakas sa amin ang inyong support and devotion sa kanya. So, I hope, ang hope ko na lang, we continue praying for him, praying for his health, and of course, praying for our country, the Philippines.
Ulitin ko lang po, there will be affairs every day, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.